Good evening, everyone. A listening session on reforming the health insurance system turned into a shouting session in Green Bay tonight.
Hundreds of people were turned away at the event at the Brown County Library. The reason? There wasn't enough room. But those who did get in gave Congressman Steve Kagen an earful. Fox 11's Robert Hornacek joins us now live from downtown Green Bay with multiple views.
Well, Michelle, this listening session is just supposed to wrap up in the next few minutes, but there hasn't been too much listening going on here at the Brown County Library tonight. Literally hundreds and hundreds of people came out here tonight. Most of them came to tell their congressman to keep the government out of their health care.
An angry crowd greeted Democratic Congressman Steve Kagen inside the auditorium of the Brown County Library. Most of the 300 people inside came to voice their strong opposition to the health care reform being talked about in Congress.
No government involvement! No!
Outside, hundreds of other people gathered. They were frustrated they could not get in because of the huge turnout.
How can we be represented in a situation like this?
He's not really representing the people.
Dennis Felt from Green Bay said he came to have his voice heard.
How in the world can we possibly cover all the costs that's going to be involved with this?
Some in the crowd do support health care reform, like Audrey Hansen.
And I'm sick and tired of hearing all the negative comments and the scare tactics and all that sort of thing.
Kagen's staff was surprised by the turnout and tried to calm the crowd before the event. Kagen said he knows everyone is not on board with health care reform, but he's hoping to find common ground.
This conversation we're having with the people here is all about how we're going to work together to improve our system.
What makes you better qualified?
On this night, the conversation was pretty one-sided, and that common ground appeared way out of reach.
Now, Congressman Kagen did promise all the people here tonight that he would hold another listening session on health care reform in the Green Bay area sometime in the next couple of weeks. He does have a couple more planned for other parts of our area this week. His next one is tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock in Appleton. He also has another listening session scheduled for Wednesday night in Marinette. Live in downtown Green Bay, Robert Hornacek, Fox 11 News.